You've been practicing. Very cool. But despite that, I still got the job. Years later, I was on the road. In fact, someone asked me just before the show backstage, is it true that Jimi Hendrix was your opening act? How many people knew that? Now, for those of you that didn't, it's true. Jimi Hendrix was the original opening act for the Monkees on our first tour. I'd seen him at Monterey Pop Festival. Thought he was really cool, great theatrical act, of course, incredible musician, and he was a lovely guy, very sweet young kid. Well, guy who was like my age at the time. But it was kind of...
Come around, I can't hear you.
Well, it was weird. I mean, nobody knew who Jimi Hendrix was yet, of course, and he was out there, and we'd be watching from the wings, just, you know, drooling with envy, and he was such an incredible performer. But the kids in the audience, you know, they were there to see them. Well, I'm gonna show you. This is the honest to God's truth. This is what it was like, Jimi Hendrix opening for the Monkees. Kind of embarrassing. Had the pleasure a couple years ago recording an album dedicated tribute album to a young lady and her partner who wrote, I think, some of the best songs we ever did. Her name was Carole King. Her partner was Jerry Goffin, the incredible songwriter, the late great Jerry Goffin. It's called King for a Day. You can find it on my face or your face or somebody's face. And one of the songs I did, a lovely song that the Everly Brothers had originally done, it was a duet, and I want to bring out someone now very special to me. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for my sister Coco. Okay, that's enough. So Coco and I actually have been singing together for many, many years as we were little kids, and our parents taught us how to sing, and Coco even sang on some of the early Monkey records, singing backgrounds, and we did this as a duet. So we're going to do it for you now. Crying in the rain. If I wait for a cloudy sky, you won't know the rain from the tears in my eyes. You don't ever know and still love you so. Though the heartache's remain, I'll do my crying in the rain. Raindrops falling from heaven can never wash away my misery. But since we're not together, I'll look for stormy weather away, Coco, because I want you to